Hey, welcome back. So in the last video, we learned how to animate, but if you notice something, the animation doesn't really match the sound yet, so it feels off. And that's exactly what we are fixing in this video. Today, I'm going to show you how to sync your animation perfectly with your audio, without drawing 24 frames every second. Yeah, this is the trick I was talking about. Alright, let's get into it. First, turn your sound back on. Okay, add 3 new frames right behind this one. Now start duplicating all the frames once. After that, go to the last frame, select the body layer and move the center of selection down here. Turn on onion skin and slightly rotate the body just like this. Now do the same thing with the hand and then with the other hand. After that, select the head, move the center of selection down here, and rotate it a little bit. Then turn off onion skin. Now duplicate the whole sequence once, then duplicate the final frame 8 times. Let's preview what we have got so far. It's close, but it needs a little adjustment. So duplicate the final frame 2 more times. Now we're basically going to sync everything with the sound, so go ahead and add duplicate frames where needed. To my channel. Welcome to my channel. Turn onion skin back on. Move the face slightly up and turn it off. And yeah, I know this part feels boring, just duplicating over and over, but trust me, you are going to be surprised at the end. Now go into the sound setting and align the audio with your animation. Let's play it. Nice, but let's make it better. Now add some sound effects. But notice, the main audio is covering them, so here is the fix. Go back to the sound setting, get the main audio, place it under the sound effect audio, Then lower the volume to around 61%. Now adjust everything again to match the video. Okay, let's play it. Much better. Now let's add small details to make it feel more alive. Select layer 2, then select the box. Move the center of selection down and stretch it slightly to create a bouncing effect. Play it again. See that? Way smoother. Now final sound adjustment. Just place it right here. Next, select layer 1 and erase the hand. Lower the opacity of layer 2. Turn on onion skin and start drawing a thumbs up pose. Done. Now create an in-between frame where the hand is rising up. Do the same thing for the next part. Turn off onion skin, go to layer 2 and clean up the extra lines inside the hand. Now duplicate those frames until the final frame. Turn onion skin back on, select only the thumb, rotate it slightly, erase the old hand, and redraw the connection so it feels like smooth movement. Turn onion skin off again, duplicate once, then duplicate the final frame again. Now go back, duplicate more frames, and slightly adjust the sound timing. Now let's review. Nice. Now duplicate the final frame 14 times. Play it again. Hey guys, welcome to my channel and my first video. Okay, this looks good, but we can polish it a bit more. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Go to the final standing frame and delete it. My channel. first. Then duplicate the previous frames 3 times. Then play it again. Hey guys, welcome to my channel and my first video. Hey guys, welcome to my channel and my first video. Perfect. In the next video, I will show you how to do clean line art and add effects to make your animation look smoother. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.